Hello everyone, today I will draw this character using Ibis paint X. Now I added a layer top of the rough sketch layer. I have drawn the rough sketch, now I am drawing the outline. I am using pen fade brush. So friends, I have one announcement. You guys are asking lot of questions about Infinite Painter and digital art. Now you can get all your answers by joining the online art classes. In this art class I will answer your all questions and I will explain everything in details from basic to advanced, and this one day class fees is only 49 rupees. Or if you are a complete beginner, you can join my monthly classes. It will be 3 classes in week where I will teach you everything about Infinite Painter, digital art or traditional art step by step, and this class fees is only 699 rupees monthly. My outline is complete. Now I will add a layer top of this layer. In this layer I will paint the base color of skin tone and I will use vector deep pen brush. Here I am erasing some messy lines. Now I added a layer top of the skin color layer. I will use paint bucket tool to fill the base color of t-shirt and the jeans. Now I add another layer top of this layer. Same process here using paint bucket tool. And another layer. Here I am using pen fade brush. In the next video I will add shading and detailing. So subscribe now if you don't want to miss that video. See you in the next video.